filling the gap that exists between the sensible Mercedes-Benz C300 and the raucous Mercedes-AMG C63. The Mercedes-AMG C43 offers mighty performance at a relatively reasonable price. It's available as a sedan, coupe, or convertible, and the titillating twin-turbo V6 engine is the star of the C43 show. If only the model's ride quality were as impressive as its powertrain. As is, the C43's harsh suspension setup feels as though it channels every road undulation and surface imperfection directly to the seat cushions and up the spines of the driver and passengers. Still, if you can live with the C43's rough ride, you'll appreciate typical class hallmarks such as a handsome exterior design, a rich and finely pieced together interior, and a surprisingly playful chassis. High's gorgeous cabin, stunningly quick choice of 3 body styles. Low's rocky ride, adding options quickly inflates the price. Verdict to budget AMG, harsh ride and all. What's new for 2017? The Mercedes-AMG C43 replaces last year's Mercedes-Benz C450 AMG sedan. Along with the new name, the C43 adopts an enhanced stability control system and trades the old C450's 7-speed automatic transmission for a new 9-speed unit. Additionally, the C43's all-wheel drive system defaults to sending 31% of the twin-turbo V6 engine's torque to the front wheels and 69% to the rears. Finally, the C43 sedan is joined by coupe and cabriolet counterparts for 2017. Trims and options we'd choose. We prefer a side of practicality with our performance, which is why we are particularly drawn to the Mercedes-AMG C43 sedan. The four-doors $52,995 base price undercuts its coupe and cabriolet siblings' cost of entry by $3,500 and $8,400, respectively, and comes standard with features such as all-wheel drive, heated power front seats with memory, proximity key with push-button start, automatic windshield wipers. To this, we'd add the Premium 4 package. The $7,400 option adds convenience items such as a big 8.4-inch infotainment screen with navigation, a perfumed interior, illuminated door sills, ambient lighting, a premium sound system, LED headlights, and more. The package also includes a host of active safety items, including automatic high-beam headlights, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Added up, our preferred C43 costs a none too cheap $60,395. Carried over from last year's C450 sedan, the C43's twin-turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 is a gem. Powerful and torque-rich, the 362-horsepower engine pairs with the new 9-speed automatic transmission that swaps cogs with both speed and precision. Thanks to a smooth and predictable power band and a bountiful 384 lb-ft of torque, the boosted 6 has deep wells of power and never feels overwhelmed or overworked when you call upon it. While Mercedes-AMG equips the C43 with a pair of steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters, we found the 9-speed gearbox a competent enough companion when left to its own devices. This is especially true on twisty roads. When the powertrain is placed in Sport Plus mode, the transmission happily holds gears through turns and readily downshifts to take advantage of engine braking. The powertrain can also be toggled between Comfort, Sport, and Eco modes. In Comfort mode, the C43 prioritizes smooth shifts and quiet operation. Unfortunately, Sport mode fails to provide either the alacrity of Sport Plus or the tranquility of Comfort mode. Eco mode noticeably slows down the powertrain's responses in the name of fuel efficiency, although it's hard to imagine buying a car this spirited and worrying too much about fuel economy. The C43's fuel economy won't put you in the good graces of your local Sierra Club. Still, the twin-turbocharged engine is quite thrifty given its heady performance. Both the C43 sedan and coupe are rated by the EPA at a class-competitive 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. The heavier C43 cabriolet, however, sees its CPA figures fall to 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon in highway driving. Any car that can leap to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds and also delivered 29 miles per gallon in long-distance highway cruising is an impressive player. The C43 sedan we tested did just that. Fuel economy ratings compared, Mercedes-AMG C43 sedan, fuel economy ratings compared, Mercedes-AMG C43 Coupe Cabriolet. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out and back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. In spite of the C43 Cabriolet's slower highway fuel economy rating by the EPA, the dropped-up AMG managed to nearly equal its coupe and sedan counterparts, recording 28 miles per gallon on our highway fuel economy loop. Regardless of body style, the C43 comes equipped with a 17.4-gallon tank that allows it to cruise approximately 500 miles on a single tank of premium fuel. The C43's powerful engine, competent transmission, and robust all-wheel drive system form a perfect storm of acceleration that's as addictive as sugary sweets. Unfortunately, the C43's brutally stiff suspension setup makes the sport-oriented luxury sedan a poor partner on pockmarked roads. Acceleration mat. The C43's floor-hinged throttle pedal and hold on tight. The C43 takes off like a golf ball teed off by Phil Mickelson. Standard all-wheel drive makes for drama-free acceleration that's almost completely devoid of wheel spin. Meanwhile, the C43's impressively flat torque curve ensures the AMG-tuned class is just as eager to pass slower-moving traffic as it is to accelerate from a dead stop. Test results. Acceleration. Mercedes-AMG C43 sedan. Test results. Acceleration. Mercedes-AMG C43 Coupe Cabriolet. Ride, handling, and steering befitting its AMG badging. The dynamically adept C43 is a joy to pilot through twisty turns. Credit its quick steering that's both direct and precise, as well as its robust all-wheel drive system that allows a dollop of chassis rotation before requesting additional assistance from the front wheels. The suspension can be adjusted between comfort, sport, and Sport Plus settings. All three modes are needlessly stiff, however, and make driving over rough pavement a bone-jarring experience. Test results. Maximum cornering capability. Mercedes-AMG C43 sedan. Test results. Maximum cornering capability. Mercedes-AMG C43 Coupe Cabriolet. Braking. The C43's brake pedal is firm and applies pressure to the car's 4-disc brakes progressively. While the C43 sedan we tested needed a class-competitive 171 feet to stop from 70 miles per hour, a C43 Coupe and a C43 Cabriolet accomplished the same feat using just 158 and 162 feet of tarmac.